8. Today we will start exercise 11.1 and we will do question number 1, 2 and 3. Now question number 1. A square and a rectangular field with the measurements are given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has the larger area? Now this is the given figure. This is square and this is rectangle. Its sides are given 60 meter each and the length of the rectangle is given 80 meter, breadth is not given. Now according to the given condition, the perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Now 4 into side is equal to 2 into L plus B in the bracket. Now put the values. 4 into side is 60, 2 in bracket 80 plus B. Now it is 160, this is 2b, so 240 is equal to 160 plus 2b. 240 minus 160 is equal to 2b, so the value of b after solving it is coming 40 meter. Now area of the square is side into side, means 60 meter into 60 meter, which is equal to 3600 meter square. Similarly we can find the area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. 80 meter into 40 meter, which is coming 3200 meter square. So the square has the larger area. Now question number 2. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Now according to the given condition, this is a plot which is in the shape of square and the sides are 25 meter each, and Mrs. Kaushik wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot, and that is in the shape of rectangle whose length is 20 meter and the breadth is 15 meter, and in the remaining portion she wants to construct a garden, and we have to find the cost to construct the garden. So first of all we will find the area of the plot, that is side into side, which is in the shape of square, so it will be 625 meter square. And secondly we will find the area of the house, that will be L into B. It is in rectangle shape, so 20 meter into 15 meter, that is 300 meter square. Now area of the garden will be equal to area of the plot minus area of house. It is coming 325 meter square. Now the cost of developing the garden will be equal to rupees 55 multiply 325. That is coming 17,875. It is the cost of developing a garden. Now what is the question number 3? This is the shape of a garden in a rectangular in the middle and the semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. This is a garden. In between it is rectangular and at the end these are in the semicircle. Now find the area and the perimeter of the garden. Area and perimeter. Now see, the total length of the garden is given 20 meter. The diameter are given 7 meter each. It means the radius is 3.5 and here also 3.5. If we will subtract 3.5 plus 3.5, it means 7 meter from 20 meter. It will come out 13 meter, and that will be the length of the rectangle. So the length of the rectangle will be 13 meter. Breadth of the rectangle is, this is the breadth of the rectangle because this is rectangle, and it is 7 meter. Now radius of the circle is 7 by 2 meter. Now area of the garden, that is equal to the area of rectangle plus area of the two semicircles. L into B is the area of rectangle plus 2. So I have multiplied by 2 multiply area of semicircles, which is equal to pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2 is the area of semicircle because these are 2, so I have multiplied it by 2. So by putting the value L as 13, B as 7, 13 7 ja, it is coming 91. Now here I have put the value of pi as 22 by 7. This is 2. This is the 2 for the half, and pi is 22 by 7. R square means R is 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2. After calculating, it is coming 77 by 2. It means 91 plus 77 by 2. By taking the LCM, it is 2. 182 plus 77 means 259 by 2 meter square it is coming, and it is 129.5 meter square. Now perimeter of garden. See here. Actually the perimeter is the sum of the boundaries. This will be included in the boundary. This is in the boundary. This length also, and this portion also. It will not include in the boundary. See carefully. These two lines are not in the boundary. The perimeter will be from this boundary only. Okay. And what is this? This is the length of the rectangle. Again here also I am taking it again. So 13 plus 13. And what is this? This is the curved part of the semicircle. Again here also. And what is this? If we are taking the complete circle, then it is 2 pi r. But I am taking from here to here. I am taking this part. It means this is half of it. So it is pi r. So here I have written the formula. It is the double of length plus pi r. How? 2 times length, 2 times pi r. So double 2 I have taken as common, L plus pi r. Now put the value. L is 13, pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2. 7 to 7 cancel out, and from here it is 11. 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 multiplied 2, it is 48 meter. Now you can do question number 1, 2 and 3 of 11.1 in your fair notebook.